Hello there, welcome to your Scottish weather forecast from the Met Office. Well, as we go through the rest of Monday, it's going to be pretty chilly out there as we move into the night with plenty of clear skies, giving us a widespread frost. Could see a few icy patches too, especially where there's been any late showers or still some lying snow. But there is a change on the way as we go through the course of the night. We will start to see this area of rain beginning to work its way in from the west. It will start to bump into that colder air across the higher ground. So if you are travelling overnight, then just do take a bit of extra time because some of the high routes could be a bit slippery or even a bit snowy. Temperature-wise, after a cold start to the night, actually temperature will begin to rise down towards the southwest here. Temperatures starting the day on Tuesday around 3 to 4 degrees, but still quite cold elsewhere. I'd imagine a few spots still around freezing by the beginning of Tuesday. So we do start with some sunshine here across the northeast as we go into Tuesday morning, but elsewhere this area of rain will move its way northward. Again, still the risk of some snow across the higher routes, but the snow level will gradually rise as the morning goes on. A brief dry interlude for a time in the southwest before then another spell of rain works its way in as we go into the bank holiday afternoon. So as we end Tuesday, could see some dry and clear weather for a time across the far north of Scotland, but for most it is going to be pretty wet and pretty miserable. A warning does come in force as the afternoon goes on for parts of western and southern Scotland. We could see some localised flooding in places, especially so as we go into the evening hours. But it does come with quite a lot of mild air, so for most actually temperatures above average for the time of year, especially in the south. Could see highs reaching 8, 9, even possibly 10 degrees in a few spots. Further north, actually here we're probably nearer to average, so around 6 to 7 degrees. So into the evening, we start to see this area of rain continue to work its way northward, some heavy and persistent pulses on it. Shetland may well not see that rain until later on in the night, and then some drier and clearer weather just potentially moving into parts of southwest Scotland as we approach midnight. But all in all, as we go into Wednesday, it looks pretty miserable out there for most. Wettest weather probably up towards northeastern Scotland, Shetland and Orkney, and here actually quite windy too. Elsewhere, there will be some drier and brighter interludes, and certainly overall a brighter day than Tuesday. But some rain will always be close by down towards the south, so certainly keep an umbrella handy here. Temperature-wise, however, it will be again a fairly mild day, highs reaching 9 to 10 degrees across the south. In the north, we're probably looking more towards 7 or 8, but it will be tempered somewhat by that strength of the wind. But in the meantime, I said do take care if you go through the night, because there could be some snow on the high routes, and then tomorrow, you just need to watch out for some localised flooding in places. There are, as I mentioned, warnings in force through Tuesday and Wednesday. You can always stay up to date with the latest warnings on our website or catch us on our various social media channels. But that's all from me for now.